Hey everyone, Michael the Tutor 16 here. Today I'm going to be doing tutorial number 16 in Microsoft Excel. And the topics for discussion in this tutorial will be that we're going to learn how to use conditional formatting in your Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. The advantages of using conditional formatting will be that when you need to locate specific information within your spreadsheet, conditional formatting will allow you to search using criteria or conditions that you set yourself. This will also allow you to highlight your answers to better prove your point to your target audience. So let's go into Excel and I'll show you how to use conditional formatting. As you can see, I've gone into Excel and I've entered in some sample data, and I'm going to use this data to show you how to use conditional formatting. Let's say that I wanted to go through all of my data and find all the cells that contain the number 7 and fill them in with the color blue. Now in a small data range like this, it would be easy to do this manually. But if my data range was large, say hundreds or even thousands of numbers, it would be very time consuming to do this manually. So you would want conditional formatting to do the work for you. The first thing that you need to do is you need to highlight all of your data range that you want to search from. Once you have your data range set, ensure that you're in your Home tab of your ribbon toolbar, and under the Styles section of Excel, you'll see Conditional Formatting. When you click on it, you're given a list of choices, and you want to scan down until you find New Rule. Once you find New Rule, click on it one time, and you'll see the New Formatting Rule box. This is where you're going to make all of your selections from. The first thing is you need to select a rule type. Right now you've got Format All Cells based on their value, Format Only Cells that contain, Format Only Top or Bottom Ranked Values, and these other three choices. I always choose Format Only Cells that contain because I want to search each specific cell for a certain value that I give it. So once this is selected, I can go down, and under where it says Cell Value, I'm going to click on the drop down, and you have choices like Cell Value, Specific Text, Dates Occurring, Blanks, and the other three choices. I'm going to choose Cell Value because I want it to look under each cell individually for a value that I give it. So once this is selected, I need to pick my mathematical operation. Now back in junior high and high school, you learned greater than and less than, or greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. So these are the mathematical operations that you're going to use. I'm going to click on the drop down, and since I want to find all the cells that contain the number 7, I want to say equal to. Once I have equal to, I can go over to the next box and I can type in the number 7. Once I enter my number 7 in here, the next thing that I want to do is go to my format. Because when you click on format, you're given tabs like number, font, border, and fill. And since I want to set each cell that contains the number 7 in the color blue, I'm going to make sure that I'm in the fill tab, and I'm going to go down and click on the color blue. And as you can see the sample, this is the color that it'll fill it in with. So once this is done, I can click on OK. And now when I click on OK again, watch what happens to my data. As you can see, it searched through all of my data, found all the numbers or all the cells that contained the number 7, and color filled them with the color blue. Now let's do one more. Let's say that I want to find all the numbers greater than 7 and fill them in with the color red. Again, I'm going to highlight all of my data range that I want to search from, go back to Conditional Formatting, and instead of saying New Rule, I'm going to go down to Manage Rules because I've already got one rule established. So when I click on Manage Rules, you'll see that it's giving me the option of New Rule, Edit Rule, and Delete Rule, along with the rule that I previously set. So I'm going to say New Rule, and again it brings up your new formatting rules. You're going to click on Format Only Cells that contain. You're going to leave this at Cell Value where it says Format Only Cells with. And then instead of your mathematical operation being between, you want to choose greater than, because I want all the numbers greater than the number 7. Once I do this, I can then go back over here and type in my number 7 again. And once this number has been entered, I want to click on Format. Once I click on Format, I want to choose the color red under the Fill tab, because I want all the numbers greater than 7 filled in with this color red. So once this is chosen, I'm going to click on OK, and then I'm going to click on OK again, and then it'll bring me back to my box where once I click on Apply, it will apply not only the first rule, but it'll also apply the second rule. So watch what happens when I click on Apply to my data on the left. As you can see, it found all the numbers that were greater than 7, which are 8 and 9, and filled them in with the color red. And my first rule was all of the numbers that were equal to 7 were filled in blue. So that's how you use conditional formatting within Excel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or comments, please send them to me and I'll be more than happy to answer them. I hope you have a great day, and thank you for watching.